Coming to chapter number 1, globes and map. This is your first chapter, and in this chapter we learn about globes and map. Now coming to globes. What is a globe? Globe is an exact model of the earth. Earth is the planet on which we live. So globe represents the earth. As we all know that our previous people believe that earth is flat in surface. As the surface of the earth is flat, we all live on the flat surface. But the whole earth, the shape of the whole earth is round in shape. It was being said by the astronomer Aryabhatta first, after then the Copernicus. So, but the people don't believe it. So to prove that whether the earth is round in shape, one of our navigator and explorer of Portugal, Ferdinand Magellan, had an expedition with the 5 ships from Spain of place Seville in 1590 to prove that earth is round in shape. So what he did, he took 5 of his ships to one direction. He said that if the earth is round in shape, and when we move towards one direction, we will reach to the same place as when we start from one point, and if the earth is round in shape, we will return to the same place. So with the 5 ships, he moves from the Spain towards one direction, and one of the ship reached towards the same place, Now this expedition proved that the earth is round in shape. Now what is the meaning of expedition? Expedition is a journey for an unknown place. And what is explorer? Explorer is a person who discovers the new land. So Ferdinand Magellan was an explorer who had an expedition to prove that earth is round in shape. So he moved from Spain with the 5 ships to the same direction, and one of the ship reached to the same place. Now this proved that the earth is round in shape. After that, we see that the astronomers in that department there are the astronauts. When these astronauts move to the space. Who are the astronauts? Astronauts are the person who have a training to travel on the spacecraft. So when these astronauts went to the space, they saw that earth is round in shape, and then they gave the pictures of that earth. And when we got the picture of the earth, we saw that the top and bottom of the earth is flattened in shape. It is flattened from the top and bottom, and it is spherical in shape. So according to that shape and model is been created, that is called globe. Now many information we get from studying the globe. कई तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन जब हम ग्लोब को पढ़ते हैं तो या देखते हैं, जायज़ा करते हैं, तो हमें कई तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है. जैसे कि कितने कॉन्टिनेंट्स हैं, वो सभी कॉन्टिनेंट्स आपस में कितनी दूरी पे होंगे, और कितने वाटर बॉडीज़ हैं, कितने बड़े बड़े वाटर बॉडीज़ हैं. एक्चुअली जो ग्लोब है उसमें हम हर एक प्लेस को देख नहीं सकते, क्योंकि ग्लोब एक छोटा सा होता है और पूरे अर्थ को उस ग्लोब पे रिप्रेजेंट करना आसान नहीं होता है. So we can see only the landforms and water bodies, large landforms and water bodies. These large landforms and water bodies are called, these large landforms are called continent, and the large water bodies are called oceans. So we just study the shape and size of the earth and the continent and oceans of the earth and how it looks, how much it is tilted. Only this information we can have from the globe. Many of the information still we cannot have from the globe. So what we do, we have a map. A map is a drawing or a part of a particular place so that we can have or point out the exact information of the place. So therefore what we see, there are few disadvantages of a globe, that each and every places cannot be seen on the globe. We cannot see the whole globe at a time. Only one part of the globe can be seen. Moreover, globe is rounded in shape. It is a model, so it is not easy to carry. तो हम क्या देखते हैं कि ग्लोब एक लिमिटेड इंफॉर्मेशन ही लेकर रखता है. हम अगर हर एक चीज़ की इंफॉर्मेशन लेना चाहते हैं तो नहीं मिल सकती. छोटे छोटे जगहों की इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिल सकती. दूसरी चीज़ है कि ग्लोब को कैरी करना भी आसान नहीं होता है. और तीसरी है कि ये राउंड इन शेप में होती हैं, तो एक साथ हम इसकी स्टडी नहीं कर सकते हैं. एक समय हम फ्रंट पार्ट को लेंगे, दूसरे समय हम दूसरे पार्ट को लेंगे, तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम आती है इसको स्टडी करने के लिए. इसलिए हम मैप की तरफ जाते हैं. तो मैप क्या है? एक प्लेस को हम लेते हैं, उसकी एक ड्राइंग करते हैं स्केल के अनुसार, और उस ड्राइंग को हम स्टडी करते हैं और उसी बेस पे हम उससे नॉलेज गेन करते हैं. तो हम देखते हैं कि ग्लोब तो एक मॉडल अर्थ का है, लेकिन सभी तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन हमें ग्लोब से नहीं मिलती, तो हम किस तरफ जाते हैं? मैप की तरफ जाते हैं. सो दिस वॉज द टॉपिक ग्लोब्स ऑफ योर चैप्टर 1.